how to remove your CPU cooler. This works for most AIOs and most air coolers. Normally, there's going to be 4 screws around where the CPU is. Unscrew all 4 of those, and then the cooler should just lift off. If it's got some type of weird clip mechanism, make sure they're unclipped on like the AMD Wraith Prism. So make sure the clips are all done and remove the 4 screws around the CPU. This is a very general guide. Look up the CPU cooler manual for like a more specific instruction set. Hope this helps. If you like my content, drop me a follow and subscribe to the YouTube channel. But yeah, now you know